If you want to stop the auto-renewal feature for subscriptions or services linked to Google Wallet, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you manage your subscriptions effectively. Step 1. Open Google Play Store. Launch the Google Play Store app on your device. Make sure you're signed in with a Google account that is linked to your Google Wallet. Step 2. Access your account. Tap on your profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Payments and Subscriptions to view your subscriptions. Step 3. View subscriptions. In the Payments and Subscriptions section, tap on Subscriptions. This will display a list of all active subscriptions linked to your Google account. Step 4. Select Subscription. Find the subscription you want to cancel and tap on it. This will take you to the subscription details page where you can manage your settings. Step 5. Cancel subscription. On the subscription details page, look for the option to cancel subscription. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation and ensure that auto-renewal is turned off. By following these steps, you can successfully stop the auto-renewal of your Google Wallet subscriptions. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out for assistance.